wish you the best of luck with your online journey. Just remember that success does not happen overnight. This is going to require a lot of work if you want to earn a full-time income online. You might have to sacrifice some things in order to achieve success. It might just come down to how badly you want to succeed online. In the past, I have made a few mistakes of focusing on too many other things or different business models, but I've found, some people or some other colleagues of mine who are also successful may not agree with me, but in my opinion, it's best to focus on one thing. So in this case, in this whole video series, what I've been talking about is just focusing on launching a product. If you can do that, eventually you'll become good at it. The first product launch you do may be a bomb. You may not get any sales. The first few, you may only get a few sales, but eventually you'll be good at it. You'll be making networks and contacts, and you'll find a support network of affiliates, hopefully, that will promote your future launches, as long as you're putting out quality material out there into the marketplace. So you also have to work on building up your credibility. Make sure you're putting out good quality content. And eventually you'll have your own system of doing things, and you'll just be able to launch products faster. So again, don't give up, and I wish you the best of luck. Thank you.